Hello, today I'm going to do a very simple cut. First, I'm finding space where the cut is going to be, and I'm going to take into consideration my facial features, and I'm going to emphasize them a little bit, so I'm going a little bit more angled at lips. I thought it will be too boring with just one cut, so I added another one and also made my face open at the top. I'm leaving a little bit of space in between two surfaces, so it will show a thickness of my skin. At the top I just colored my forehead black, but then the skin needs to be pink, so I'm just adding some shadows in the middle, and the deeper they go, the darker they need to be. Therefore, inside of a cut, one side is going to be darker. With a foundation or cream colored paint, I'm painting the side, the edge of my face, so it will actually look a bit lighter because of the white color, but this is what I actually need to have. With side of my brush, I'm also painting a little bit lighter corners, so they kind of pop out. So I repeat all the steps with all the edges that I need. I decided to extend it to my neck and my arm. I also thought that I'll make my skin a little bit more irritated, so I step away from the very edge and add in a little bit redness, just a few millimeters away from an edge of my skin. Please let me know if you like this look and if you would like to see more illusions in future. Have you done any of the illusions at all? Drop me a link and I would love to see what you've done. Thanks a lot for watching. Subscribe, like, comment. I hope to see you soon in my next tutorial, which I will hopefully upload tomorrow. So don't forget to check it out as well. Bye!